How to check logged in devices on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen, which is beside Search button. In here, click on Account Center, which is the first option. After you have clicked on it, click on Password and Security in here. In Password and Security, you will find where you're logged in. Click on where you're logged in. You will find all the devices that you're logged in, or this account is logged in. If you find any suspicious device, you can simply click on it. This kind of screen will pop up. Click on Log Out, and they will be logged out from your account. And this is how to check login devices on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.